Hello from Garrett Motors in Coolidge, Arizona. Here we have a 2016 blue Chevrolet Camaro SS. This Camaro comes with a 6.2 liter V8 engine. Also is a CARFAX one owner vehicle. It does come with a power driver's seat. There's only 30,715 miles on the vehicle, which means the factory warranty still applies up until 36,000 miles. Sirius XM is available on the vehicle, and then also does come with Bluetooth and then OnStar. It does come with a backup camera too. It is a push to start vehicle. Also, if you take a look at the remote, it does have the remote start if you press that button. It does have different modes. If you take a look right here, you have your track, snow, ice, sport, and then tour mode. Take a look in the back seat here. Here at Garrett Motors, we are proud to offer your first 4 oil changes for you for free. Passenger seat is also powered, passenger front seat, and you got your glove compartment. Look in the back. If you have any more questions on this Camaro SS, feel free to give us a call. Our phone number is 520-723-5401, or you can also visit us on our website at www.garrettmotors.com.